So let's get started with a Pinterest overview. So Pinterest is a social media network that allows users to share images or videos that they are interested in. You can think of Pinterest like a web-based pinboard or bulletin board. Now here on your screen is how the homepage looks like after you sign up. All the images and videos that you see are what we call pins. Just like any other social media network, Pinterest is free to use, but you need an account to start using it. After signing up, you will be instructed to pick at least 5 categories to follow so that Pinterest can personalize your feed. Here on my example, I created an account for Kimiko, and I chose 5 topics which are here at the top part of your screen. After selecting the topics, your homepage will then fill up your screen with pins related to them, and you can scroll all the way down to see all the images and videos. You can start pinning or saving by clicking the red button on the right corner with the pin and save text. Now let's talk about the top menu bar. On the left is the Pinterest logo. You can click this whenever you want to go back to the Pinterest homepage. Once you click this, the homepage will refresh to give you a new set of pins. Next to the logo is the search bar. This is where you enter keywords to topics you would like to see. For example, let's try to key in Korean barbecue. Once the page loads, you'll see all the pins related to your keyword. You can filter them using the drop-down menu on the right. For example, if I select videos, you can also refine the categories based on the suggestions here at the top part just below the search bar. For example, if I want to check recipes, it will then be added to your search. Now let's talk about the 3 tabs right beside the search bar. We have the Home tab, Following tab, and the Profile tab. So the Home is where you will find the recent pins of all people you follow or of topics you have chosen. Next, we have the Following tab. This is where you see what users you follow are pinning on their boards. You will notice that the pins look different. When you hover over them, you will see a snippet of the link where you will be redirected if you click on it. For example, here they have the Facebook link. You'll also see the time when it was posted or pinned, 10 hours ago. And you'll see the caption of the pin, the user, which is Tasty here, and the pin board where you will find this pin. For example, breakfast and brunch. Here beside it, you have the pin board desserts. Now let's go to the Profile tab. You can select this if you want to go to your profile. You will be redirected to your profile page where you will see the shortcut icons on top. The first one is the plus icon, and you can click this to quickly add new pins or new pin boards. Next is the pen icon where you will be redirected to your profile settings. So you can click that and you will see your profile where you can add or change your photo, your first name and last name, and your username. You can also edit your profile bio and your location. Next, we have the share icon. You can click this if you want to share your profile to any of your other social media accounts. You can also send them to your friends. Just type in their name or email address and then click send. Just below the shortcut icons, you will find your profile name, the number of followers you have, and the users you follow. On the right side is your profile picture. So in this case, I haven't updated it yet. And the last part are 4 tabs on your profile. So these are your boards, where you will find all the boards that you have created, the pins or the pin tab, your tries, where all the pins you have tried for yourself and left feedback on will appear. And the last one is the topics tab. These are suggested topics you can follow based on your interests. So you can start unfollowing or following any interest you may like. The last 3 icons on the right of the top bar menu are the messages, notifications, and the settings. The messages is marked by the little speech bubble icon. You can send and receive private messages with users you follow and follow you back. Next is the notifications. This is marked by the bell icon. Interactions and suggestions will pop up here. The last one is marked by the 3 dots. So this is the setting. You can select this to change your settings or upgrade your account into a business profile. We will learn more about the business profile in the next video.